Most people don't realize their day-to-day choices can sabotage their financial freedom. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's draining your wallet and how to stop it. Bad habits are keeping you broke. It's time to uncover the traps holding you back and learn how to escape them. Let's dive in. Keeping up with the Joneses is a surefire way to stay broke. If you're spending more than you earn, no salary can save you. The fix? Budget wisely. Use tools like apps or spreadsheets to track every penny. Flying blind with your money is dangerous. Without a budget, your finances will spiral out of control. Start simple. Track your income and expenses, then plan for essentials, fun, and savings. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Unexpected expenses will happen, whether it's medical bills or home repairs. Not having an emergency fund leads to more debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Sales and discounts are traps for impulse buyers. Always ask yourself, do I need this or just want it? Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before making non-essential purchases. Savings alone won't make you wealthy. The power of compound interest lies in investing. Start small with index funds or apps like Robinhood or Acorns. Remember, time is your greatest ally. One paycheck is risky in today's economy. Create multiple income streams, freelance, invest, or start a side hustle. Diversification isn't just for investments, it's for income too. Knowledge is power. The wealthiest people continuously educate themselves. Dedicate just 15 minutes daily to learning about finance, investments, or entrepreneurship. Paying only the minimum traps you in a debt cycle due to interest. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Use strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Without clear financial goals, you're wandering aimlessly. Write down SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and track your progress. Your circle influences your habits. Surround yourself with people who inspire financial discipline and success. Join communities that align with your goals. Breaking free from these habits isn't easy, but it's the key to unlocking financial freedom. Which habit will you tackle first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to build your wealth.